Long before history, before the first words or the first fires, there was hunger.
Our ancestors didn't live to eat. They ate to survive. Their menu changed with seasons.
Before the first cities, before the first fires, before we even had names, we had food.
This is the forgotten journey of the human diet. A tale written not in books, but in bones, teeth, seeds.
Two million years ago, a revolution began with a stone. Our ancestors learned that the richest treasure in nature was not the meat predators devoured, but the marrow.
In the Ice Age, survival meant movement. Humans followed the herds, living on meat, fat, marrow, and bone. Fire transformed everything. It softened roots, purified water, unlocked nutrients.
Thousands of years before the first farm, humans were already grinding wild grains. Invisible clues caught in fossilized teeth reveal a secret pantry.
Bread was not just food, it was power. Beer was more than drink, it was currency.
"12,000 years ago, a quiet revolution began. Humanity planted its first seeds.
Humans have always chased flavor. From the Silk Road to the Indian Ocean, spices shaped economies, fortunes, and empires.
A single moment rewrote the world's menu.
Tomatoes transformed Italy. Potatoes saved Europe.
In just 150 years, food changed more than it had in 150,000. Factories replaced forests.
Sugar replaced honey.
Calories multiplied, but nutrition faded. To move forward, we look back to the wild foods that shaped us, to the grains that built civilizations,
To the fires that made us human. Our future health lies in remembering our past.